Well, here we are on some clubland. Plenty to go at. Paul there detecting already. Really bad overnight frost. The ground's a bit hard, but look how sunny it is now. It's absolutely gorgeous. Paul's detecting with his Etrac. He's got some new settings on it. John Wilson set it up for him, and he's hoping he'll do a lot better, although he don't do bad anyway. And I'm going to give it a go with the CTX. Catch you in a bit. Well, I'm getting plenty of signals. Walked onto the field, 3 signals straight off. Got a watch winder and what looks like a Victorian brooch. And I can't believe I'm detecting over an area I've detected before. I don't know if it's this frosty weather. We're getting better signals in the ground. Paul's digging a lot of signals as well. Anyway, we'll see how we go. That doesn't sound a bad signal. Going down to 1223. I've been over this bit of land lots of times, and it's just like coming on it again. Brand new. We'll see what's under here. Piece of lead probably. Put my gloves on. I can see it there. Oh yeah. Well, I think it's lead, but got some kind of a design on it, either lead or pewter. Pewter, just rocking my hand. Oh well, we'll clean that up and see what it looks like. End of the day. Well, this gave a right signal. I don't know what it is. Oh, I bet it's a compact or something like that. It may have a pattern on the back of it. I'll clean it up when I get home. Because the size of that. Look at all. It was right in bottom of there. I had a right job getting that out. Anyway, clean it up when I get home, have a look at it. That looks interesting. Yeah, I think it's got a bit of an inch there. It's probably a compact. Never know what you're going to find in these fields. I thought it'd be a huge piece of lead. Well, I'm sat down under an old oak tree having a brew after a couple of hours detecting. There's Paul over there bent over digging an hole. What an absolutely beautiful day. It's been as frosty as out overnight, icy as anything, and it's beautiful. I've been in this next field and the ground's that frozen you can't dig it, so I've come back in here in this long grass, and it's a soft, it's a absolute beautiful to dig. It does hold a lot of water, does this land, so no wonder it's got frozen up. Well, I'll finish my brew off. I'm sat here, I ain't got a care in the world. Absolutely wonderful. Another good signal. Showing 11:25. No, jumping about a bit. Something about digging around here, you don't half find some lead, and that's what I fully expect this to be. And if it's a big piece, that means it'll be a big hole, because my pinpointing is absolutely rubbish. I'll dig other side of the hole for a change. This is where I could do with the JCB, I think. Got it. In there somewhere. I've just had a lead bag seal, so I wouldn't mind if I'd got another one, but we'll have to see. A button, a nice old button. I don't mind finding buttons. Means people's been here and people in the past. Well, see what else we can find. Well, I've got to say that looks different. A button of some kind. Could be an American eagle. Certainly got an eagle on it anyway. Different. Like anything like that. Have you found anything, Paul?
Get out of the water field.
You're not kidding? Look at the state of this lot.
I've had more hits on here.
Have you?
Yeah. Well, they haven't been able to get on here, have they?
No.
You'd be alright with that machine.
I don't fancy going underwater on this lot.
No, but your machine stands, mine will like, but
yeah.
Everywhere where water stood, I've found stuff.
Aye.
I've had an absolute pocket full of stuff.
Have you? Yeah. Have you got anything interesting?
Well, it's all mudded up, to be honest.
Alright, pocket full.
That's only half of it.
My neck. What's that? A spoon handle or something?
Don't know.
Like a pewter spoon handle.
That's a spoon.
And that's part of a spoon, isn't it?
Definitely a spoon.
Yeah.
I don't know what that is. I'm interested to see what that is.
Yeah. Oh, buckle. Buttons. Ah, what's that you've got? Because I've just found a big button.
Yeah.
Ain't got an eagle on it, has it?
No, but I'll tell you what I have found. I think I found a Saxon button.
There it has, it's got an eagle on. Well, I'll be blowed. Do you know why?
Why? Because you've got other bit.
Because somewhere in here, I've got one as well.
Look at that book. Look at that one.
Can't find it, Paul.
Can you see that?
Anyway, trust me, I've got one. Oh yeah.
On that.
Yeah.
And I've fact now that's the one. Look there. Now that's a very old button.
Yeah.
Lead.
Oh, that's a dress weight, is that, Paul?
Oh, is it? Is that what it is?
What they were to put at the bottom of the dresses to keep them from blowing up.
Yeah.
2 holes in it.
Yeah.
Yeah, you find them on fields. Ah, good. Yeah, I've got a button exactly the same, but with no back in it. This is a bit better. I think it's American Forces, isn't it?
I don't know.
There are plenty of Air Force bases round here, weren't there?
Oh, aye. Yeah,
It's a right old musket ball, is that?
That missed. Yeah, that's a nice one. I don't know what. I'm seeing that cleaned up. Whiskey bottle top. What's that?
I think it's a powder case, like a compact. I've got nothing old, Paul, and then
thread.
Hey?
Thread on it, hasn't it?
Yeah. And then I've got that to go with it. But I've got nothing old. No, big old lead weight, a bung or something.
I've got one of them.
Have you?
Yeah. Now then, what did Frank say it was?
Not a steel yard weight, is it?
No, I've got one of them and all. It's that big.
Aye.
Really blew my ears off.
Yeah.
Anyway, what time is it now? Because I'm going to...
Yeah, it's about 1:30, mate.
Right, well, I'm going to just off that way now.
Yeah, I am. I'm going to detect back up to the car.
I'll take car and then that'll do.
And that'll do me and all. It's been brilliant, hasn't it?
Yeah.
What a beautiful day.
But get on here.
Yeah.
Get where water is.
Yeah.
Because...
I will another day, Paul.
Because it's frozen, you can get on it.
Yeah, yeah, you can. Right, I'm going to do the same as you. I'm going to dissect up there.
Right.
See you in a bit, Paul.
Right.
Well, at long last, I can't believe it, on my way back to the car, and a coin.